What's up mga ka-RM? Ayan, welcome back sa RM Hobby Collection. For today's video guys, we will be unboxing a figure from a Japanese anime series, Overlord. So this is the Albedo Empress of Darkness. From, of course, Banpresto. Thank you nga pala kay Boss RJ ng Weibo. Ito ang kanyang Facebook. Thank you, bossing, para sa ating Albedo, the Empress of Darkness. So as you can see in the box, guys, she is in her classic attire in a very popular pose. So this is an MISB or mint in sealed box. So come on, let's open it. Let's open it. Oh, these have a clamshell. May clamshell siya, guys. Wow. So, yan. So, she has a clamshell with a protective bubble wrap inside. Of course, naka-tape pa siya. Let's open it. So, to give you a quick additional information about Albedo. Albedo is the overseer of the floor of the guardians in the great tomb of Nazareth. So, she is also the middle sister of Negrido and Rabedo. Oh, look. Half body is inside together with the wings. And of course the other one is outside the clamshell. So one is from the inside, one is from the outside. And then of course, Albedo has very high ranking level of 100 NPs. So as I have told you, this is an MISD or mint in sealed box. So it's brand new, never been opened. We will be the first one to open it. So let's put this out. Look. So it is made of PVC and ABS. So very magandang quality yung kanyang pagkakagawa. Let's open this one. So guys, this figure is 13 inches in height or 34 centimeters. So malaki din siya. So alam niyo naman guys, pagkagaling sa Banpresto, magaganda talaga yung figure. It's not like the other figures na parang rubberized. Hindi siya rubberized. So let's take it out. Let's put this one first. Ano ba to? So guys, you need to check kasi look. Yan. It has a different shape, so you need to check properly. So we already have the half body of Albedo. So guys, Albedo is called the fallen angel with with horns and a black wings. Let's check. I need to remove the wings first. Put the head. I opened the head already. Oh, I love it. I love it. Oops. And guys, Albedo has a golden pupil in her eyes. See? It's golden. And what's this? Wait. She has also a ribbon to put it at the back. Wow. Ang ganda niya. It's very beautiful, guys. Yan. Yan natin siya. Look at her. She is in her classic attire with the golden spider web. Yan. And of course, in her popular pose. So as you can see, guys, all her pose is like that. See? And the dress is so beautiful. Diba? So she is also devoted only to Ains from Overlord. So his power is a tank type character with a physical defense and of course strength. So she is capable of wielding and has special abilities like Wall of Jericho. So she is a very powerful fallen angel. So papakita ko sa inyo the last I have here an Albedo also with, I think it has the same dress. See, in this figure it's like faded white siya. But from our Banpresto Albedo, the Empress of Darkness, she has a very white, beautiful dress with, of course, the necklace of a spider web. Yeah. So it's very nice. So ito siya. And of course, same detail siya sa likod. Ayan, may ribbon. Pero dito sa inopen natin, it's detachable. Wings are detachable. Yan. As you can see, her wings is outstretched. Yan. So, ayan. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo, guys. Ayan siya. Yan ang kanyang beautiful dress. And of course, her wings, and her beautiful face. So guys, ano pang inaantay nyo? Diba? And siya, just turning around. So, dito lang yan sa RM Hobby Collection. So, don't forget to follow us on Facebook and of course, subscribe in our YouTube channel. So, kung bago ka, comment down below and of course, follow and subscribe ka na. Dito lang yan sa RM Hobby Collection. Bye-bye! Adios!